I best on behalf of Allenites Ghaziabad. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. But before we proceed, I would like to tell you that's why do we celebrate Christmas. We celebrate Christmas to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. He was born in Bethlehem and was sent to Joseph and Mary. A Christmas carol is a must-done Christmas celebration. So to initiate, we have our Allenites with a cheerful song.
Santa, where are you? This Christmas I have been looking for you. I am gonna wish something as I have been good. Except this Christmas Eve, I have eaten lot of food. Wow, that really gives our celebrations a wonderful and enthusiastic start. So friends, do you know the real meaning of festival? The real meaning of festival is when we share our happiness with everyone around us, whether they are rich or poor. So to show the true meaning of festival, now I would like to invite my friends to present a play. Thank you. My Lord, thanks for the wonderful day. You have given me all the blessings that I need. But when are you coming to my house? I want to see you.
Peter, I'm coming to your house on Christmas.
Thank you, God. Anna, Maria, John, come in. My wishes are going to conclude. God is coming to our house to meet us. I am so excited. Let's decorate our house and make arrangements. Oh wow, I will make delicious food. Mom, please give me the list of grocery. I will go with John. Dad, I am going to the market to buy material for decoration. I will decorate the full house. That's awesome. Let's make arrangements. We don't have any place to live. No clothes to wear. Please give us some clothes to cover our body. Please help us. We have not eaten anything from last 2 days. Give us some food to eat. Oh, you poor man. I'm waiting for Jesus. Don't waste my time. Go away. Peter, when will God come?
Peter,
Oh, my Lord, where are you?
Peter, I came to meet you. I came to your house like a beggar and needy person, asking for clothes and food. But you did not help me.
But oh, Jesus, if I would have knew that it was you, then I would have helped you for sure. I'm sorry, my Lord. Please forgive me.
Peter, I will forgive you if you promise that you will always help the needy people.
There is God in every human being. No festivities are complete without dance and jest. To give our Christmas a perfect ending, I would like to invite my friends for a dance. Friends.
Christmas tree. Oh, 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 hee, hee, hee. Someone came and they found me and took me home again. Oh, I'm the happiest Christmas tree. Oh, 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 hee, hee, hee. Look how pretty they dress me. Oh, lucky, lucky me. I got shiny bells that jingle and tiny lights that jingle. Whenever anyone passes by, I blink my lights and I wink my eye. I'm the happiest Christmas tree. A Christmas day, wait and see. I'll be laughing happily with a ho 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 hee hee. With a hey and a hee and a ho ho. With a hee and a ho and a ha ha. With a ho and a ha and a hee hee. Christmas tree. Ho, 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 hee, hee, hee. Someone came and they found me and took me home with them. Oh, I'm the happiest Christmas tree. Ho, 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 hee, hee, hee. Look how pretty they dress me. Oh, lucky, lucky me. I got shiny bells that jingle and tiny lights that jingle. Whenever anyone passes by, I blink my lights and I wink my eye. I'm the happiest Christmas tree. A Christmas day, wait and see. I'll be laughing happily with a ho 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 hee hee. I'm the happiest Christmas tree. A Christmas day.